how to solve 8 power x times 8 power x is equal to 42. What is the value of x? So here we apply in the form of a times a is equal to a square. Here this times this is same as 8 power x whole square is equal to 42. Now here I can apply this exponential rule that k power m bracket power n is equal to k power of m multiplied by n, so it will be mn. So according to this exponential rule, here 8 power x bracket power 2 is same as 8 power of 2x is equal to 42. Now we have to apply log in both sides. So, log of 8 power of 2x is equal to log of 42. In the next step, we apply this rule, log s power k is equal to k log s. This power k moved to the base. So here this power 2x will move to the base, so it will be 2x log 8 is equal to log 42 is same as log of 6 times 7. In the next step, we have 2x log 8 is equal to, here log of 6 times 7, so we apply this formula, log of a times b is equal to log a plus log b. So it will be log 6 plus log 7. Now we divided by log 8 in both sides. This log 8 will be cancelled out. Now I can write here 2x is equal to this part over log 8, then plus this part over log 8. So here log 6 divided by log 8, then plus log 7 divided by log 8. Now we have 2x is equal to log 6, so it will be log of 3 times 2 over log 8 is same as log 2 power 3, here plus log 7 over log 8 is same as log 2 power 3. In the next step, 2x is equal to here log of 3 times 2, it will be log 3 plus log 2 over this power 3 will move to the base, so it will be 3 log 2, then plus log 7 over this power 3 will move to the base, so it will be 3 log 2. Next step, yeah, 2x is equal to log 3 over 3 log 2 plus log 2 over 3 log 2. Then here plus log 7 over 3 log 2 is same as 1 over 3 log 7 base 2. Now I have 2x is equal to log 3 over 3 log 2 is same as 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 plus this log 2 cancel out here, 1 over 3 plus 1 by 3 log 7 base 2. Now we need the value of x, so we have to divide it by 2 in both sides. This 2 will be cancelled out, so here x will be equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 3 log 7 base 2 over 2. So, this is the value of x. So, this is our final answer.